Black there. Tall canister and Butchako. Shed a hula because I ain't fighting the cousin. I ain't fighting the game with you.
Noelle Healy Laoch na hImeartha as Ahaklia. Noelle. There have been very good times in this Dublin side. There have been extremely bad times. 2014, 2015, 2016, you lost by the minimum of margins. Today, this Dublin side stands as All-Ireland champions. Describe this feeling to me.
Oh, it's fantastic. It's unbelievable. Yeah, look, the last 3 years have obviously been very difficult to take, but you know, we're such a close group of girls, and we love playing. We love playing football. We love playing with each other. We love playing for Dublin. We love coming to Croke Park and seeing all the young girls coming out. You know, it's where we all first to come to see our heroes, and you know, the first Dublin game. So this is just beyond words. It's just unbelievable.
Preparing for this game, there was so much talk about not performing. Was that the main message the management was telling you, that get a performance today? First half, second half is about a good performance.
No, absolutely. You know, we've been working really hard on just doing the simple things and just, you know, playing the brand of football that we like to play and coming into the match. You know, that's all that Mick and all the management team, Elaine and Porrick, Shane, Solo, Macra, that's all that they were just telling us over and over and over again. It's just, you know, just do the simple thing, just go out there and just play your style of football, and that's what we did, and we just stuck to it. We stuck to it. You know, we probably missed a few opportunities that we would have been disappointed with, but we knew, you know, just next ball, and lucky enough we did. You know, I think our bench were just absolutely phenomenal. We were so unfortunate to lose Sinead Finnegan, who's been a standout player for us this year, and you know, Dee Murphy, who's been pushing so hard and pushing us so hard, and you know, pushing our standards so hard in training, and she came on and just absolutely drove us on, and Fiona Hudson, and obviously Sarah McCaffrey. You know, what can you say? Phenomenal.
Well, it's a phenomenal achievement. Comhghairdeas Noelle agus a Porrick O'Keira ar son TG Cahar and Shaw Conan Gradam of Runnu Art.